As far as we understand, we're unable to reach an agreement, so the potential for conflict remains. We are seeing certain statements from Washington regarding plans to blockade the Iranian coast. We do not yet understand what this will lead to. In any case, it will have negative consequences for various parts of global markets. But the situation is still far from being resolved. We hope that it will not return to armed conflict. We are open to dialogue. We are open to building good and mutually beneficial relations. But going forward, we will see what course the leadership takes. It is still unclear whether it will remain pragmatic or become more politicized.